Here I am down at the East Bowl on December 21st, 2021. We're into the 9th week of construction within the 62-week window that carries us into December of 2022. So I'm going to climb up on my little perch here, portable perch. Doesn't sound like much is going on down here today. We're in the week before Christmas here, so just making sort of a status check of all my points of shooting, see what's going on. I don't see any activity down here whatsoever, so I don't know if they're going to take off this whole week for Christmas or what. But I don't see any activity down here at all. So I'm going to hit my points around City Hall. And then I'm going to move down to the West Paseo, see if there's any activity down there. But as you might expect with the holidays kind of wrapping up the end of 2021 here, not much going on. Though now that I look across into the Civic line, there's a large truck over there. So they must be hauling out debris. So I'm going to move on around to the in front of City Hall and see what's going on over there. So I'm going to end this now. All right, here I am over by City Hall now. I'm going to look over the fence here, and again, not much happening in the East Bowl. Back over across the way, we got the big truck back over there with the backhoe loading it up, or the front end loader possibly, removing some of the last debris. Looks like it's the front end loader, I think. So in the 9th week, they pretty much completed all of the major demolition. Once they haul out this debris that's back over here in front of, or over here by the Drinkwater Plateau, looks like that'll be all of the debris pretty much that I can see. So just a little bit of debris left to be hauled out, and so all's quiet on the eastern front down here, the East Bowl, Civic Lawn. Not much going on. Civic Lawn pretty much all cleared off now. I'm going to head around to the West Paseo now, see what's happening down there. They were doing their trench work and irrigation pipe laying this last week, so possibly they're continuing with that. But stop it here and move on around to the West Paseo. Right, here I am down at the West Paseo now. Kind of a grayish, cloudy day today. Temperature's around 52 degrees. Starting Thursday, which today is Tuesday, starting Thursday we're going to be in for a little stretch of showers and rain possibly. So that should impact Christmas and the weekend here. Like they're just continuing to work down here on their trench work. Looks like they've got a really large pile of gravel right here, and the trenches that were open the last time I was here are filled in, so they're getting their trench work done there. my gimbal set up here. Front end loader. Moving back down this way. I don't know if they completed whatever they were doing down in the West Bowl. I'm gonna head down there in a little bit. I'll climb up here a little bit higher, but not that much activity down here either, really. You can see the trench work is all filled back in that was open the last time I was here. So just check this out a little bit before I move on around. But again, not a lot of work on this end either. Holiday week and all. Step out here for a second. See what I can see. But it's pretty mellow. Pretty mellow. Back up to West Paseo here. See what they're doing. Big front end loaders parked down there now. So not a lot going on here either. It's probably going to be a short day of shooting at this rate. But I am going to move around to my normal perches there. See what I can see what's going on over at the West Bowl. And then finish this up. But they are getting the West Paseo all taken care of as far as their trench work goes, and so next thing will be grading it down to the level they want it to be at. So I'm going to stop this right here, start moving on around to my other perches, see if I can see anything of interest to shoot. Alright, here I am moving down to the end of the West Paseo. What's going on down here? Just getting in my obligatory into the West Paseo shot. But it is nicely leveled up. Looks like they might still have more trench work to do. But pretty mellow down here today, so just getting in a quick shot here. I'm going to move on around towards the West Bowl. Alright, here I am at the back construction entrance. A little bit of activity back here. Looks like a guy dropped off a dumpster. So, got a dumpster down here now for whatever odds and ends I guess I got to toss. So again, not that much happening down here. So move on around towards the West Bowl here by AZ 88. Alright, here I am coming in by AZ 88. Check out the West Bowl, see if there's anything happening over here. '88 Christmas tree. Only today's the 21st, so only 4 days away from Christmas. Today, the 21st, is also the winter solstice, which occurred here at 8:59 a.m. Mountain Standard Time officially. We entered the winter solstice, so it's 9:21 now, so about 25 minutes or so into the winter solstice. Up here on my perch, see what's happening. A little bit of activity down here. But small bagged hoe down here. Looks like they're working on their trench work down into the West Bowl now. The small backhoe straddled the trench there. See the white line that's painted. They shoot just a sweep around here. I'm going to switch over to my telephoto lens, I think. So let me stop this for a second. All right, here I am on my telephoto lens. Shoot down here a little bit where this backhoe's working. He's digging out or something. Not sure what he's doing exactly, but something to do with the trench work, I would think, down here. Sweep back around here, but again, not much happening down here today. I think one thing I will show down here, back a few weeks back, it probably was now, they were doing some cutting over here along this beside the Performing Arts Center here on the west side. What they were doing is they were cutting out the sidewalk and cutting out the sidewalk along there to get to something underground that they had to work on. So I'll show that. Kind of went this way on my hyperlapse video, but that was a pretty fast-paced video. So here we are at the Performing Arts Center. West entrance. Actually, this gate is open here. Must be coming in and out with something, or just have a need for it to be open. So it's open right now, but as I pan around here, see you have metal plates covering this trench that they cut through here to get through something that's underground, probably some kind of infrastructure tied to water or electrical, I would assume. Got a truck down here, another smaller backhoe down here. Doing something. Looks like they're down in their trench, they're doing some work. So, doing some stuff down here, tied in with the infrastructure. So that's what's going on there. Back up this way. Looks like the front end loader's coming back into the West Bowl. See it moving there. We'll step inside this fence for a second. You can see they got this all chopped out down here. It's continuing on their work of getting it all torn down and get built back. We go back up this way. See what I can see from the top of the middle section of the stairs up here. Back up this way. But not really a lot going on, so front loader back over there. Moving around, doing something. So he's heading back over to the West Paseo maybe now. This is maybe just have a couple of trucks running today. The front end loader is loading out debris as they come and go. Still got that one big pile over there they haven't moved out yet. It's kind of a mellow day out here. So I may wrap this up here. Wrap this up here today. May come back on Thursday probably, but I can't imagine there's going to be much more activity going on this week just because of the holiday week and the fact that they've completed the major demolition. So probably just treading water here more or less till they get into 2022 and then just start going full bore everything again. Doing some construction. And I'm sure they'll continue with their trench work on the pipes. Looks like it'll continue on down through here and around, I'm guessing. Not really sure, but and there will be some rain coming up over the starting I think it starts on Thursday. It's not going to be a big rain event. It's going to be pretty light rains, showers, chance of showers, 40, 50, 60% across the time into Monday, off and on. So I think they'll finish up here.